Hello po, this is Mix Ebron. For my today's video is I'm going to create some pancake with Nutella and of course there's a Kit Kat right there. I'll show you. So ito po yung lulutuin yung pancake. Baka it's less than 2 minutes. Then tapos pagkatapos ng 2 minutes, 'di ba Titalma? Balik ta rin. Dapat amoy mabango talaga. Subukan natin kaya ulitin yung pagluluto ng pancake na yan. Lagyan natin yung butter. Then tapos, let's put them on that. Hintay natin for the next 2 minutes. Para, pang nasa, sa Amerika, nagkukuka pa ng burger for the next 2 minutes. Just like George Foreman Grill. Tapos paliktaran natin yung pancake.
Ano na yung KitKat mo? Di ba marami yan?
Kinain ni Miko. Kinain ni Miko yung lahat ng KitKat ko eh. So lalagyan natin ng Nutella dyan.
Binablog mo pa yung paglalagay nila mo.
Mami, hawakan mo nga to. Habang naglagay kong yung sa akin.
Nutella pancake. Wow, delicious.
Yan
Ito na
talaga.
yung KitKat.
At ito pa oh.
Asan na yung ano KitKat mo?
Yun oh. Pinahati pa yan dalawa.
Okay. Miguel is preparing his, ano nga yan? Breakfast.
Nutella
Nutella KitKat pancake.
pancake featuring the Nutella and Kit Kat chocolate bar.
Gusto mo kasi kakain pa ako.
Oo nga eh. Dali. At least hindi ko pa ma-fast forward yung video na yan. Parang mabagal yan. Lugi talaga magbukas. There. You see this?
Stage mother. Stage mother.
Kaya gawin natin ito. Pero see that? Pwede mang kakainin yan. Let's go for another one.
Hawak mo na. Alis ka na. Ipapa-PM kasi ako.
There you have it. Lagay ko na yung Nutella at saka Kit Kat chocolate bar right there. Better see that. Okay, that includes my video for today.